Hello, my scanner enthusiasts and frequency freaks. Today we're here with the Smiley Antenna Tri-Band telescopic antenna. Again, we have a colored connector. For those of you that don't know, Smiley Antenna connectors do come off, so you can switch them between different connectors. And they are rolling out within this month or next month with the black SMA male, and then they'll follow by the SMA female and BNC male about 4 to 6 weeks after the rollout of the SMA male. So what we're going to do here is I have the weather channel up, and as you can see, I'm getting about 1 to 2 bars with it fully closed. For those of you that don't think length of antenna matters, I'm about to show you something. I'm going to extend it all the way out.
Monday night, mostly cloudy. Breezy and not as cool as lows around 60.
Now we got full bars.
Sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Breezy with highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 30%.
I have been testing it with ham radio frequencies and everything. Unfortunately, while I'm out, they're not talking today, and it does work really well. I had a friend try it on their radio, and they were able to hit a repeater that was about 20 miles away. I know that's nothing for most people, but they were able to hit it with no problem. I do like the fact that it does have a little play down here, so if you do bump it, it's going to bounce a little bit. It's not as long as some telescopic antennas, and it's not as heavy as some telescopic antennas. So one of the things you have to worry about, especially with the SDS 100 and the BCD 436 HP with telescopic antennas, is them being too heavy and weighing down the connector and making it loose. This is not heavy. It feels like the antenna that came with it. It's that light. It's not heavy at all. It's easy to collapse and extend and everything. So on the packaging, it has different ways to get the different connection or different bandwidth and antenna width. So fully extended was the 2 meter quarter wave. 2 extensions down is a 5/8 440 wave, 5/8 wave. All sections down is a 440 quarter wave, and 4 sections down is 220 quarter wave. So we extend it out, and we do 1 and 2. That is the 440 5/8 wave, and then 3 and 4 is the 220 quarter wave, and then all extensions is the 440 quarter wave, and then again all the way extended is a 2 meter quarter wave. So that's how you do it. I will say again, for it being a telescopic antenna, it is very light and very durable from what I've seen. I did do a drop test on it, and it seemed to withstand being dropped. I wouldn't recommend dropping it because telescopic antennas, no matter what you do, are still pretty delicate, especially this section here. So With that said, would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I recommend pretty much all the Smiley antennas that I've gotten because they are good quality and they are made here in the U.S. And I have yet to have one that disappoints me. I'm planning to order some more, especially of the ducks, the slim ducks, because they seem to be very impressive. Again, if you are waiting to order Smiley antennas, there's a link in my link tree that's linked in my bio, on TikTok, on YouTube and Facebook. In YouTube and Facebook, I'll link it in the description, and it's the very top link at the current moment of filming this. There is a 10% discount code as well. It's a one-time use discount code. It is not available to use with sales or blemished antennas. So definitely give Smiley Antenna a shot, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. All right, guys, have a good one.